In this video, I will show you how to disable antivirus in Windows 11. Disabling antivirus in Windows 11 can be done through the built-in Windows security settings. So first, go ahead and open Windows Security. So click on the Start button and click on the Settings. Now on Settings, go ahead and click on Update and Security. Now in here, go ahead and click on Windows Security under the left-hand side menu of your screen. Now under the Windows Security, go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection. So another pop-up will pop up on your screen. So under this, click on Manage Settings, and under the Real-Time Protection, toggle the switch to turn it off. You might be prompted to confirm this action. Now remember, disabling antivirus temporarily can leave your system vulnerable to threats. It's recommended to turn it back on once you've completed a task that required it to be disabled. If you're using a third-party antivirus software, you might need to open the app for that software and disable that on the application. And that is how you can basically disable antivirus in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.